Hello folks, here we got a Dogfight Doubles in classic Vintage Classics for Airfix, the F.2B and the DR.1. Alright, so let's have a look what we've got in our single box, which is only regular box size. Here's a pen for scale. So it's not a massive box, but there's two kits inside here. Two kits inside of a single kit box. So let's take that out of the way, and we've got instructions, the old-fashioned stands for putting them flying stands. You don't get these with the box anymore, do you? Usually. Got one kit for the tripline and one kit for the F.2B. So 2 bags, 2 kits, 1 box, 1 set of instructions. Quickly go through instructions. Got the nice set of decals. You got like a sort of RAF grey instead of blue for that. That might be accurate, I'm sure, but we'll see. It's supposed to be faded, I know. But we're talking World War I, so there we are. All lean register, all very good, as you expect these days. Instructions, what they are. Here's all the instructions for the F.2B, all 4 stages. Alright, everything's all very straightforward. And there's the paint symbol for paint instructions. The number 39 Home Defence Squadron in North Wales, back in the day. So, and then here's the instructions for the triplet, the glide decker. Got a little helpful information there for the angle of the wings. And that's the other 2 parts, 4-part instructions. Stick it all together. And the Geschwader Richthofen example. So get out the 174 paint for that. Right, but here's the pass-through resistance. The actual kits themselves. Oops, which I've just knocked the camera and thrown everything on the floor here. Oh, not too far, it doesn't matter. So if I can get this to focus, it's a wonderful thing to find out. This, you can see it's focused. And eventually, if it's there, 1957 I think it says there. The molding. Tooling is 13 years older than me. And well, you could say it shows it, but you know, considering the era, how long ago that was for most people, that's not a bad detail. You even got the stitching of the fabric there. So I've made one of these kits before in the 80s, but like most things I haven't kept it. There's a little bit of extraneous plastic and a few extrusion points there all along. They can get removed with a bit of sanding. The ribs may seem to be sticking out a bit much too as well, so they can probably be sanded out. See the extrusion marks? But all the parts are there for a model. Like I say, I'd probably sand it down slightly to make it less. Well, I'll try not to remove detail because, you know, why do that? There's a little detail on the front of the radiator. Unfortunately, the pilots are the old, well, they haven't got any legs, have they? So, this is the sort of kit you're going to need to have aftermarket seats, really. But not too bad for a, what is it, 66-year-old, gosh, tooling. Now, similar looking vintage is the DR.1 dry decker kit. Again, you've got obvious ribs there. Slightly bit of flash, but comes on for a 60-year-old kit. It doesn't say when it was made, but they're both at the same time. The engine parts are moulded in. They're not expected to add extra, but you can paint those into a bit of detail, painting them up, and all the parts you need there. You got a full size manual legs there, so, but again, it'd probably be best to, oops, knocked it again. I'm always knocking this. As you see, there's no seat for him. He hasn't got anywhere to sit. A bit like me at the moment. So little man's gonna have to have a new seat, aftermarket seat, because if you don't have the man in here, it's gonna be just hollow, isn't it? Big hole. But yeah, very basic kit, but all the parts you need. So it's a bit of a challenge to make it best you can, but I think most of us who do little models like this are up for a challenge. But there, I thought I'd just show you what you get for about roughly 10 quid. You got 2 kits from the vintage range of Airfix, and they're not museum pieces, but they're classics in the very literal sense of it, because they're from in this one in particular, see, there's no proper seats there either, so you'll have to make something scratch built or aftermarket, but nice external detail, I think, and you got good decals with it. So yeah, you can make a good kit with that one if you're careful and you don't mind doing a bit of extra work for £10.99 or whatever it costs you. It's really not bad value for money, I suppose, if you're happy to make it. Sure, you'll have a lot of fun trying to make the most of it. So there we are, Bristol F.2B and Fokker DR.1 Dogfight Double Airfix in the Vintage Classic range. Alright, very good. Bye for now. Ta-da. Adios.